Hello and welcome to Insightly. With applications to support sales, marketing, customer service, and integrations, Insightly's platform is a modern, scalable solution that aligns go-to-market teams around a single view of their customer and helps businesses sell smarter, grow faster, and build long-lasting relationships. My name is Mitch, and today I'm going to bring you through an introductory product demo of Insightly Marketing, a marketing automation solution built in complete alignment with Insightly CRM, designed to enable B2B and B2C marketers to engage in simple, smarter online marketing. In this demo, we'll specifically review the Insightly CRM Connector for mapping data between applications with ease, our intuitive journey builder used to visually map out your campaigns for prospect and existing customer outreach, how to customize templates for emails you're sending and landing pages you're using to collect new prospect information. We'll review finish action automations available to streamline key activities that may otherwise be repetitive, and ultimately how Insightly CRM and marketing applications align to ensure departments are working together and towards their revenue goals. Insightly Marketing is natively accessible from within Insightly CRM. When you navigate into Insightly Marketing, you'll notice the user interface similarities, designed with simplicity and consistency in mind to drive user adoption. The prospects object will house your marketable audience, whether that be prospects being nurtured by your marketing team that are not ready for sales engagement, prospects that are sales qualified and currently moving through the sales pipeline, or even current customers that you're driving continued engagement with to create cross-selling or upsell opportunities. When it comes to configuring how your sales and marketing applications integrate with one another, the native CRM connector will allow you to sync your databases. Whether it be the case that marketing is pushing updates to sales or sales is pushing updates to marketing, you can map out how field values are passed between applications in real time. You can also leverage the prospect grading functionality to capture how well prospects in your funnel map to your uniquely defined ideal customer profile, and even set up scoring models to measure prospect intent based on how they are interacting with the content you've curated. You have full control over how specific actions taken by your prospects are weighted to ensure the appropriate behavioral signs that indicate intent to buy in your business model can be acted upon appropriately. If you navigate to one of our prospects, you can see these models in action. With the ability to action workflows off this data and even make it available to sellers, grading and scoring models allow teams to prioritize the prospects with the highest propensity to buy in real time. Now that we've talked about prospects, the next feature I want to touch on is journeys. Every interaction you have with your prospects should bring them one step closer to you. With Insightly's Journey Builder tool, this allows you to map out customer buying processes and campaigns so you can chart that course from prospect to customer to advocate in a given scenario. Journeys allow for the configuration of actions, triggers, and checks to ensure the path a prospect takes is personalized based on their engagement with your content and what you have come to know about them. Actions allow you to do something, like send an email immediately after a wait on a specific date, add prospects to a list, or even adjust their score once a specific action has been taken. Triggers and checks allow you to create unique paths based on if conditions are met or not, like was an email link clicked on the above step, or did they check a specific page on your website? Once a journey is running, the related reporting insights help you to track campaign performance by providing insight and visibility into what is working or where bottlenecks are occurring on a step-by-step basis. So I can click through here and check each step and see how each prospect is moving through our campaign. Now we've covered journeys, but what content are we actually targeting our prospects with? This is where you can leverage Insightly's intuitive template builder to customize the emails that you're sending to your audience and the landing page experiences you're creating to collect new prospect information to ensure complete brand alignment. You can choose to create your own templates from the ground up, or you can choose a pre-built template that can be customized using the drag and drop editor functionality to make it your own. Add images and photos to personalize messages, increase open rates, and drive more conversions. Before sending, leverage the preview tools to ensure your content is rendering appropriately, no matter if it is consumed via the web or on mobile devices. You'll also see that the landing page builder uses the same drag and drop functionality. This allows you to design, build, and clone landing pages easily and launch your campaigns faster. Once you're sending your audiences to the correct targeted information, this is where you can use customized prospect web forms that can easily be embedded on your landing pages to ensure you are capturing the data that is important to you and that segment and qualify your leads for your sales team. With duplicate management capabilities included in your form handlers, you can build out your knowledge of a prospect over time. So if on the first form submission, a prospect provides you their name, email, and company name, on the next form submission, you may collect more information related to their business needs or how to get in contact with them. As you populate your prospect profiles over time, you can become more targeted in your messaging and drive towards a higher likelihood of engagement. Insightly's finish actions offer complete automation based on a prospect's engagement with forms, redirect links, and hosted files you have configured. With finish actions, you can conditionally define which activities should occur to allow you to not only further control your customer's journey, but also ensure that key administrative updates happen automatically without the intervention of your sales team. There's also other actions such as adding a tag, adjusting scores, or even updating records. So we've gone over a few features here with Insightly Marketing. However, the key feature that really ties this all together for your sales team, for your marketers, to be able to quickly view a prospect in their full history, in comes the prospect timeline. A prospect's complete history of engagement with your content is captured on their record within this timeline tab, which will show the progression of interactions over time. This information also lives within this Insightly CRM on the corresponding lead record to ensure sales teams have a complete view into the history of the prospect so that they are in a position to engage with context that will drive more effective and efficient sales conversations that will only lead to more conversions. As a result of field mapping capabilities defined through the CRM connector, which we talked about earlier, salespeople also have access to the most up-to-date prospect scores that change in real time based on behavioral actions prospects are or are not taking. So now we can navigate back to Jerry's corresponding linked lead and see that the fields are mapped accordingly. As we see here, his score in the CRM is showing a 110 as it shows on the marketing side. This will pertain to also all fields that are mapped as well. Further, marketing teams will have access to update salespeople making the CRM in real time to ensure marketers are able to adjust messaging sent to a prospect based on where they are in the buying process. Marketing success is heavily reliant on access to up-to-date customer data. The more data marketers have access to in real time, the more relevant their messaging can be to customers to drive engagement. Something aligning Insightly CRM with Insightly Marketing directly impacts. On your dashboards, you'll have insight into pipeline revenue and campaign performance to determine which marketing channels you should continue investing in and where there are opportunities to optimize your processes. By building CRM and marketing applications atop the same platform, the Insightly Suite is designed to do a few things. Enable businesses to align their sales and marketing departments, facilitate the delivery of highly qualified leads ready for sales engagement, increase conversion rates, and drive revenue. If you're ready to dive into an Insightly marketing evaluation, request a personalized demo to meet your business's unique needs. Thank you guys for taking the time to review Insightly with me today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.